You gonna put more makeup on? Okay. Bellamy, we'll go to party. That's enough. That's enough.
Put this on?
Okay, you want to put some of that on?
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
Open it. Open it for me.
I will. Oh boy. Yeah, just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Here, I got it. You put your finger. I'll hold it for you. You put your finger. All right, come on, hurry. We're gonna miss the party if you don't.
Ready?
Bellamy. Just a little bit.
It's okay. Stop it. Stop moving. Stop moving your hand. Stop moving. Don't move. Don't move. Don't wipe it off. He's wiping it off.
All right, just put a little bit on. That's enough. That's enough. All done. All done.
No.
It's all done. All done, Mama. Not too much. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Come on, let's go. Party.
And then put makeup on.
I'll fix her hair, okay?